I have a riddle for you and I really want you to think about it. What is a popular, cheap, year-round find in the fresh produce section of your grocery store that can boost your immunity, can have antiviral, antibacterial, anti-tumor and anti-inflammatory properties apart from even killing intestinal worms? It sounds like an entire pharmacy aisle, right? Any ideas? We are talking about the highly neglected, incredibly powerful raw papaya. Welcome to Munch and Mull Desi Wellness. If you're an urban Indian parent juggling your family's health, then you are at the right place. So, what makes the green version of papaya so special? To really understand the value of raw papaya, we have to look at its historical pedigree. When Christopher Columbus first encountered it, he actually called it the fruit of the angels. We often obsess over the ripe orange papaya, but we treat the raw papaya as a boring background vegetable. But in reality, it may be a wonderful natural multivitamin booster for your family's immune system and much more. It is incredibly rich in fiber, potassium, folic acid and packs a large amount of vitamin A and C too. These vitamins may be active components of your cellular defense. Think of vitamin A as the nutrient that builds a fortress wall by maintaining the integrity of your mucous membranes in your nose and gut. And this is your body's first physical barrier against pathogens. Vitamin C actively arms the soldiers inside by stimulating the production of white blood cells. Folic acid ensures your body can rapidly synthesize new immune cells and repair DNA, while potassium regulates fluid balance so everything runs at peak capacity. Besides, raw papaya is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which are antioxidants. Think of these as your ultimate cellular rust removers. Everyday urban pollution, UV rays and stress create unstable free radicals that bounce around stealing electrons. They damage skin cells, break down collagen and cause internal inflammation known as oxidative stress. I have done a detailed video earlier on how antioxidants stop the damage caused by free radicals. Do watch this video linked in the description of this video. Raw papaya is one more power up you can now add to your antioxidant toolkit you can use to neutralize these free radicals. Even the cosmetic industry studies green papaya extracts as these show promising antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in lab research. The real engine behind raw papaya's startling medical benefits is an enzyme called papain. Papain is a highly proteolytic enzyme, that means it breaks down complex proteins, and it is highest in unripe green raw papaya. Historically, this enzyme was a brilliant tool for wound care. Because it targets denatured proteins, applying it to chronic skin ulcers acts like a microscopic pressure washer that liquefies dead tissue, all while deploying antibacterial properties. Animal studies also show papain's potential to suppress skin inflammations linked to conditions like eczema. For modern urban diets, papain may be an aha moment. Papain helps digest proteins. Papain breaks proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids, which is why it is used in food processing and digestive enzyme preparations. Papain's ability to reduce fat accumulation and obesity-related inflammation has been noted in animal studies on mice. Preclinical studies also suggest possible anti-inflammatory and metabolic benefits. If you thought that that was all that raw papaya could do, get ready to be surprised, because here's more. This vegetable could literally be a systemic regulator for our whole human machine. It acts as a very natural laxative that could relieve the common issue of constipation that plagues so many urban households. By the way, both raw and ripe papaya is often recommended traditionally for digestion. Animal studies suggest that raw papaya may possess anti-hypoglycemic activity, meaning it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates and improves glucose uptake. Isn't raw papaya such an all-rounder? However, I must state a non-negotiable warning to the parents-to-be who are listening to me right now. Raw papaya is absolutely, strictly unsafe for pregnant women. The unripe fruit contains compounds that mimic prostaglandins and oxytocin in the human body. What is the implication? Consuming this raw latex is documented to trigger premature uterine contractions in rats. It aligns with the age-old wisdom of our grandmothers who had warned generations of women to avoid papaya during pregnancy. For everyone else, it is time for a paradigm shift and include raw papaya in your vegetable lists. Because it has a mild flavor profile, it absorbs spices beautifully, making it an incredibly versatile addition to daily family meals. You can easily enjoy these immense health benefits by whipping up a delicious, crunchy, raw papaya raita that pairs perfectly with chapatis, or dish out a veg pulao that includes raw papaya to elevate a normal dinner. And did you know that grated raw papaya is a perfect cabbage substitute for a sabji? Or how about making a high fiber, guilt-free raw papaya halwa as a dessert that uses absolutely zero refined white sugar? Do try them out. All of these amazing insights and step-by-step recipes to make these wonderful dishes are available in my raw papaya recipe video. I'm sure you definitely do not want to miss out on this, so the link in the description box is waiting to be clicked by you. All this certainly leaves you with a thought to mull over. Should you choose the exotic or traditional? I often wonder why urban shoppers choose exotic, imported, expensive vegetables like broccoli and zucchini when budget-friendly fruit of the angels is available. Raw papaya is vastly cheaper and is available all year round, and enthusiastic city farmers are growing papayas even in pots and apartment balconies. Raw papaya isn't just another pre-ripe vegetable. It is a versatile, enzyme-rich superfood that deserves a permanent place in your vegetable list. So, the next time you walk past by the produce aisle, choose the raw papaya and use it before it ripens. Start experimenting today. So, which of the recipes that we discussed will you be making first to protect your family's immunity and improve your family's gut health? Do drop a comment below. And the only way that you can be notified of all such insightful videos is to follow the Munchandmull channel, to subscribe to it and click on all notifications. If you found this raw papaya deep dive inspiring and insightful, do press that like button and share it with your family and friends. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and I will see you in the next episode of Desi Wellness. Until then, stay healthy and keep cooking at home. Just munch and mull. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.